Hi again, Monica. It's me, Steven, your best friend, and
Grace.
it's not as exciting. And we're doing try two because Steven's mother wants some. So,
I thought we were doing try two because it didn't go so well.
That's not the reason. Okay, so we're gonna perfect it this time, and it's gonna be so good. Get excited! I'm so excited. Okay, do not put your hair on your this
Cutting board?
Yeah, cutting board, which was actually originated in 1854 by the Loch Ness monster. Okay, so first now we're gonna whoa, Steven, you're getting ahead of yourself. Okay, Steven. So you're gonna need, ready? Not butter anymore. And I'll explain this in a second. Your hot dogs. Your knife. That is clean now, Grace. Don't need these anymore. Some tongs. Prongs? Tongs?
They're tongs.
Tongs? Alligator mouth thing. Right? Doesn't it look like an alligator mouth? Okay, focus. So, your skillet. That is now my skillet and your skillet. It's clean. So,
you don't need bacon?
you need bacon, Grace. Thank you so much. This is why you're here. Okay, so first, now why don't we need the butter, you may ask? Because this time we're gonna cook one side of the bacon ahead of time. That's right. So you're gonna put the bacon on your skillet. Grace,
somehow it's on two-sided, and I don't, well, it's okay for now. I need to fix it. I won't be able to cut this. I'm saving paper. When are you making?
I'm doing it right now, Mom. You're ruining my video.
I'm in my pajamas.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out of my video.
Make my delicious dinner.
Once again, my mom wants the spotlight over me, but guess what? It's not yours, it's mine. Okay, so Mom wants two because she's fat. And then don't act surprised. So then
Steven!
no, like that I'm so mean. Like we all know it. Okay, so we're gonna put the bacon here. Oh my god! So we don't need the butter because the bacon is gonna grease up the pan for us. So we're gonna have the Grace, do you want one?
No,
Why not?
I can't have red meat.
But it worked out so well last time that it's worth it. Right?
I know, it looked so appetizing last time.
I know.
It's hard to resist.
No, it also hard to resist.
What?
I'll let you imagine it, Monica. Okay. Who's texting you during my
My boss. Just keep going.
quit your job, please, right now?
Just keep going.
Anyways, so that was step one. In the video, Grace.
Go.
No, because you don't need these, you're gonna put them away. Now you want to put them back nice and carefully, because sharp things are not fun to play with, right, Grace? Right?
Get away from me!
That's right. She understands.
Steven, put the cover on that.
The cover was not on this when I grabbed it, Grace, so once again, you failed me. End it.
Go.
Now we're gonna take it over to the thing. Time.
Go.
What do we cook at this time, Grace?
I don't know. Medium heat.
Gee, Grace, thanks for all set to medium. Oh wait, it's numbers. Anyway.
5 is medium.
So-
God. You don't have to be
God
mean.
cannot save you.
You don't
from
have
me.
to. Steven, why is the floor so slippery? We all know
Because
why.
this is where the Winter Olympics are happening for ice skating. Okay. 5. I'm gonna do 4 because I just.
You like the number 4, don't you?
Well, it's mainly to spite you, but. So that's gonna. Don't touch it. It's gonna get hot. Now we wait for it. This is the fat-free version of my hot bacon. We don't need this, so let's go put it away. Come on, follow me. I'm gonna fire you. This is not funny.
Sorry.
Fun fact for you about butter, Grace. Butter was actually, didn't need to open a new one, invented in 1415 by my butt. When it starts to sizzle, if you listen really closely. Closer, Grace, closer.
I want to burn my hand.
Okay, so basically, you might have to like press it a little bit, like I'm doing now, to see how some of it's coming up, because you want to cook all of it, like we learned last time. Nobody likes to eat uncooked bacon.
We did learn that last time, didn't we?
We didn't. I did, Grace, because you didn't cook the bacon enough.
Oh, sorry.
You should be sorry. But look, if you look closely, you will see that you see how it's spreading. This is going well, just like last time. You can end the video.
Ow!
And you're gonna take your cutting board and you're gonna put the bacon on the cutting board. Okay, right, here we go. Now you're gonna want to remember that the bacon is hot, so do not touch it. I
Good.
just had that thought right now.
Good tip.
So, I know, it was just like last time, but different. This one doesn't look as cooked as the other one, so... Oh. Literally just said don't touch it, don't touch it. Yay, so now we're gonna bring it over. Don't drop them.
Go.
Then, take your hot dog. I can smell the bacon. And, wrap it. Like 50 cent. Let's see if this works this time. See, it's gonna get hard and it's gonna be... This just feels wrong. What side did I cook? Oh no.
Are you serious?
This side. It's cracking, it's cracking, it's cracking. Grace, where are my toothpicks? So that I can keep these nice and tight.
I don't know.
Grace, do we have toothpicks?
I don't know.
Mom? Do we have toothpicks?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
Isn't everything good in the closet these days? We're in the closet. It's time.
No, Stephen, I'm busy.
What? I said we are not where. Obviously somebody doesn't love me. Anyway, so, they're in here, according to legend. Oh my god, I found a cheese grater for when we can stuff it with cheese. Found two of them. Ooh. These are a little stale. So, in the game of life, sometimes things aren't equal in size. So, we are using skewers today. You at home can definitely use toothpicks. It's recommended, but it's not an option today. Okay, so I guess we're gonna skewer the hot dogs. Yeah. Okay. So I would do one on the ends, definitely, so that the ends don't come up, because we all know how much it came up last time. Do you think the wood will burn if I...
Yes.
We can pray. Okay, so then we're gonna put one in the middle, just to be safe. And you're ready to cook. So, now that you've made your hot Hot bacon. Ninja warriors.
What?
They're ninja warriors. Do they not look like it?
No, they look like caterpillars.
They kind of look like torture devices, which they are to your esophagus and your stomach, and
Your heart.
you're gonna get fat. Oh, look, ants. Ready? Also, your cutting board can be used to smush ants. Yeah! Double whammy. Okay. Mom, try to cook. Ready? Here we go. This is not gonna work out well.
Just cook it.
I should probably use something to put these on.
Where are your tongs?
I lost them. Don't lose your tongs.
Good. That's a good tip too.
Okay.
You're full of good tips today.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Bacon. I like to think that the sizzle is the hot dogs screaming because you're cooking them.
Okay.
So we're gonna hope the wood doesn't get catch on fire, and
No
but we
more.
know what to do if it does.
No more fires.
Good. Found it. Let's check on them to see how they're doing. Smells like they're burning. That's true, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually.
Well, and we're oh, I was correct. Okay. Oh, this is a lot harder to do. Oh. With these chrome things going everywhere. I am also. Oh no. I'm also. Oh, I am burning the wood. It's not on fire yet, but yeah, it's burning as well. They're looking like they're kind of like the next big thing though. Like, I just really want to put cheese in them. I'm gonna be honest. I do.
You should have.
Sometimes you kill ants with hot and brain cells. Okay, so yeah.
I just got that.
Now let's slow. Now we're gonna take these out because I think we should. Ooh. It's a lot harder than it looks. Don't do this at home. No, do it at home. Are you for real, hot dog? For real, friends? Okay. Ow. Oh my god, that is hot.
You already told the viewers, don't touch it, it's hot.
Well, I'm not a viewer, Grace. I'm the person. So nobody told me.
Tell yourself.
That's done. Okay. You know what, that one's just gonna burn. It's just gonna burn.
Steven, you're gonna set more things on fire.
That's gonna burn, okay? I want it to burn. So, whoa, ta-da! Now we take them out. Don't touch it for long amounts of time. I think I did it. It's perfect. That's, oh, it's still hot. I do not learn my lesson. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this one. We don't want it to burn. We're actually going to eat it. But if you look closely, do you see that? Do you see that how it burnt?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Do you see that? Oh, not that one. Doesn't want to. This one?
Yep.
Yeah. This is for you, Grace. And this is for when you're asleep, and I'll shove it in your nose. Okay. Now we're gonna take it off the oven.
I'm scared.
Let's turn it off first this time.
Good call.
Is that hot? Nope. Yeah, touching it was also a good idea, so. Success! Hey Monica! So, it's time for the taste test portion. But I know what you're thinking, like, what can be better than hot bacon? Hot bacon with chocolate milk! Okay. Let's see how this one worked out. How is it? Thought you were gonna punch me in the face right there. Okay. Look, it's beautiful. Oh my god. It can be so good. No, I haven't gotten to the bacon yet. It's still the exact same as last time. Okay.
It's cooked this time.
The hot dog was cooked the whole time. Lee.
Yeah, the bacon wasn't.
That's true. Ready? Did you take off the bacon? You took off the bacon! Oh. Where's Kalosha? Oh, like, stop it! This is animal abuse. Because I'm an animal. Okay, so, ready? Here we go. I'm gonna fire you as my mother. Okay. I will bite you. I will bite you. We will put you on this film. That's right, that's what I thought. Coward fear. It's like... What did she do?
She just like dropped all her chocolate milk and dropped her knife.
Anyways, it's like crunchy, but soft. Just because you're miming doesn't mean like we don't know what you're saying to us. Anyway, it's crunchy and soft. And like greasy. And perfect. I made this for you. Don't forget that. I can do it again and I can not do it again. So, yay! Monica. Is this mustard? You lose permission. You don't get your... No, give it back. No. You lose it. You lose it. Anyway. We can do it, Monica, with meat, because I'm gonna force you to eat meat next year. Oh my god. Do you see this bruise?
What about tofu bacon?
How did I get this bruise? Oh. So, tofu bacon isn't bacon.
But it's so good.
It's not good, Grace. Don't help her. It's not bacon. It doesn't count.
It's
I will not
tofu.
have tofu in my house. No! Ew! What? Here. Jump. Oh god. I don't like this. This is... I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to watch this. I'm very sorry that any of this happened. But... too much hot dog in my mouth, so I can't really talk right now. 1 second. I'll be right back.
Go.
Oh. So anyways, this has been a good day. Number 1, my mom's gone. Number 2... No! No! She's gone again. And then, I discovered this. That I can do it. Whatever I set my mind to, I can do, really. And also, I'm gonna diet tonight because I had pretty much 3 pounds of bacon, I wanna say. Ah! It's soft, so it's okay. Anyways, Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Steven, and
I'm Grace.
bonus footage. What do you do with the grease when your mom's not looking?
Don't let the cat out.
Dump it on the ground.
You're gonna kill all the grass that's in that section.
Not my grass. Let's clean it.